With breaking news we're tracking, and just when you thought the rhetoric couldn't get more personal, the Bihar battleground sees yet another sharp political swipe. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has now targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi with a pointed jibe, likening the Prime Minister's campaign trail in Bihar to roaming around like it's his son's wedding. That's the latest coming in from Mr. Kharge. He has likened the Prime Minister's campaign trail to roaming around like it's his son's wedding. In fact, we are waiting for a response from the BJP, but yet another personal attack coming in from the Congress at the moment. Raman Rai joins us with the latest details and to contextualize the details for us as well. Raman, take us through exactly what Mallikarjun Kharge has said, and has the BJP responded yet?
Yes, Mallikarjun Kharge hit back on Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his political tour in Bihar. Mallikarjun Kharge hits out and saying that Modi is roaming every day in Bihar and conducting around 2 to 3 public rallies in Bihar. So that's why Kharge is hitting out on Prime Minister Modi and said that Modi is roaming like his son's wedding is going on in Bihar. And it's a personal attack on Prime Minister Modi by the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. And yet not BJP is, I think, not responded on the comment of the Mallikarjun Kharge. But later as soon the BJP will definitely react on it, while the Mallikarjun Kharge is commenting on a personal kind of a statement over the Prime Minister Modi, while he is conducting around 2 to 3 rallies, and in upcoming days Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also will come back to Bihar in the second phase as well. He is going to conduct multiples of rally in the across the Bihar, which is happening in Bihar, and these are the word of wars it is going on in Bihar, and we'll have to see what BJP respond on the statement of the Mallikarjun Kharge.
Meanwhile, tell us, Raman, you've been speaking to many voters. Are they reacting to the style of politics? Is it resonating on the ground, especially in Bihar's first phase seats?
Well, see, Bihar is a state which is dominant of the caste factor, and voters had no issue with any kind of words with any of the big political leader. But sometimes it may affect the voting percentage of margin than 1 or 2, but more impact is that Bihar's voter and the cadre voter is intact, whether it's a RJD cadre or whether it's a BJP cadre. So they are strict on their vote bank. All the parties had already knew that the voters of RJD vote for them and the voters of the NDA and BJP will vote for them. So this will not gonna affect the more or less on the ground.
Right. Meanwhile, Raman, tell us, what's the sense among voters as the rallies hit fever pitch today? Are people responding more to promises or the personalities that are descending onto battleground Bihar?
Yeah, a lot of public rally and the road show is also going on in Bihar. Even today, the Shivraj Singh Chauhan is also conducting a bike rally in Bihar, and it will impact the voter in the last phase and last day of the election campaign also, because road show and public rally, these are some things which creates the momentum for any party, any political party in the election. And that's why Prime Minister Narendra Modi also holded a road show in Patna just before the 2 days of the first phase. So this is something that will boost their workers, as well as it will help the voters to turn out to their side. That's why Shivraj Singh Chauhan, you will see that JP Nadda, Amit Shah, all of the big leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Rajnath Singh, Mallikarjun Kharge, all the top big leadership of India Alliance as well as the NDA Alliance is conducting public rally, conducting road shows, conducting bike rallies for targeting the voters and trying to turn out their voter at the last moment to their side. And we'll have to see that how much it will going to impact after the first phase, because we have a time around 6 to 7 days left in the second phase. But today is the last day of the campaign for the first day. So all the parties, all the big leaders, all the allies will put their hard efforts on the last day of the assembly election in Bihar.
Raman, as always, thank you so much for joining us with the latest details. Do stay on with us for the next crucial updates as well.